All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to soft wash your house. And this is probably a different way than you've seen. If you've watched any other video on YouTube, I have not seen anybody really do it the exact way I'm going to do it. So I'll show you everything that I'm going to use to do this. So I have a sunjoe foam cannon, this right here. And then I have my 2000 PSI electric sunjoe pressure washer. And I will put this stuff down in the description. I think the sunjoe pressure washer looks a little different. It has a little nicer thing to row up the hose, but I'm going to use that. I bought some pool chlorine. Now the reason I bought pool chlorine and not bleach, because it's kind of the same thing. This is like twice as strong as regular bleach. It says the sodium hypochlorite is 10% in this. And I think it's only like 5% in bleach. So you have to definitely get the pool chlorine. Like if you can find some stuff, I think they have some out there that is 12%, that would probably be even a little better. But you can buy this at like Walmart, Lowe's, all of your pool stores. Then I have some eye protection, a little funnel, and this is a tablespoon. I have 1 tablespoon just to measure out my soap. And I'm just gonna measure out 2 cups of the pool chlorine. And then I did buy Gain. I don't know if it matters, but this does have like the Oxy Clean in it. Oxy Boost. I only say that because I think last time I washed this house, we actually used Oxy Clean. You definitely need this stuff and the pressure washer if this works. Now, if for some reason it seems like that's not working well for you, you can also just get pump sprayer and mix up your chemical and spray it on your house, and then just spray it off with a hose without the pressure washer. And then you also, depending on how tall your house is, you might need a ladder. And if you're using a ladder, you might want to have somebody to hold the ladder so you can be safe. You don't want to fall off your ladder. But all right, and on top of all that, I also have one more helper, my mom. So you can do this. She's like 70 years old and she still can do this. So if you're 70, you can still do this. Just go get your son and he'll be able to do it. All right, I think we're ready. All right, another thing you might want to do before you get started cleaning your house is we did cover up the air conditioner. I'm not 100% sure if you have to cover your air conditioner, but it's really easy to cover that up. So we covered that up. And if you have maybe little bushes or little plants, when you're cleaning your house, like you're probably not going to see us do that because I don't think there's anywhere where we have to worry too much about that. But before you start cleaning with the pool chlorine and the soap, you're going to want to spray down your plants with some water and then start cleaning your house. And when you get that section done, I recommend maybe just coming back and spraying them down again. You don't want to kill all your plants. This is a spot up here that looks really bad. Get up there. Yeah, right up here. Hoping this comes out on camera. Right up at the top there. It looks pretty bad. So I'm hoping that's coming out. And then I'll show you what it looks like after we get done cleaning that. All right, I'm gonna mix up my chemical and put it in my foam cannon. So just take the lid off your foam cannon. Like I said, this is the sunjoe one. And I do have, so I don't forget, there's a little dial on the top of this. I have this all the way down. There's a negative and a positive. I have it all the way toward the negative. So it's like, I tighten this all the way up until it stops. Put my little eye protection on. Now, I'm a little crooked here. It's okay. I'm gonna take this pool chlorine and just fill up. Just be real careful of this stuff. It's really strong. I'm gonna fill up 2 cups in here. I have this measured out, so I know I got 2 cups. So 2 cups. And after you do this a couple times, you're probably not even going to have to measure that. You'll probably be able to look on here and see where you dump your 2 cups. And I'm just showing you this in case you have to use that pump sprayer, because this is going to suck whatever you put in here, no matter how much you put in here. I could fill this all the way up, and just so I have enough room for my soap, I can fill this all the way up. So I probably end up doing that. But if you're going to use the pump sprayer, you're going to want to use 2 cups per gallon. And that pressure washer, it goes a little bit over, but it's almost going to be pumped 1 gallon of water through the pressure washer, and then it'll suck up this 2 cups of pool chlorine and the soap. It's a little bit over, but when you see how it sprays on this house, I think it's really going to work good. So now let me put this lid on so I don't dump that. Dump this in here. So I got 2 cups of that. So you can look on there. It looks like it goes up to the 500 milliliters for about 2 cups. There's 1.
You should have put it in your funnel.
Yeah, I don't need a funnel for this, I don't think. Maybe it'd been easier to put this in and then put the bleach in, or the pool chlorine. 2. 3. Like, yeah, 3.5. Put this on. There we go. Have my dial turned down to the negative. Don't try to turn that real hard, just go until it stops. And then this part here turns also. You have to adjust that as you go. That just makes it wider and makes it narrower or wider spray.
You all right?
Yeah, I want to go all the way up there. Now we're going. All right. Is it clearing up? Oh my gosh, I think it is. All right, starting to look better already. And some of your really bad spots, maybe you might have to do it a second time. But that soap in there really lets that hold on. I think I'm gonna try 4 tablespoons with 2 cups, just to get that sudsed up a little better maybe. I'm gonna let that sit for maybe 5 minutes and then I'm gonna spray it off.
Look at the difference over there.
Oh, geez, yeah, look over here. I sprayed a little over here. So it's cleaning up. You might have to do it a second time. All right, now I took my foam cannon off and I'm just gonna put the 15-degree nozzle on here and I'm gonna spray this off. So we're probably getting close to the 5-minute mark, so I'm gonna spray that top off. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, she looks pretty. Can you switch that over to the low? Now I turn my pressure washer on low. That has a low and a high setting. I don't want to go that hard here. Oh, your windows are shut good, right? It's probably a bad time to ask you. What do you think, Ma?
Awesome.
Now you can see, I have to say that definitely worked so far. So, now look over here, I did some and then I stopped. I didn't realize how dirty the house was until we cleaned a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do another batch. I wanna see how much I can put in here so I can just fill this thing up every time. So I'm gonna do 2 cups. This is a little, it's 2 cups. So I'm gonna do 2 cups and 4 tablespoons. I think that'll work better. 2 cups. I wanna see where it comes out here. 2 cups. Let me just do 2 more cups. 2 cups. You know, I think I'm gonna do 3 cups just to give me a little space. 6 tablespoons in there. Then I can do that whole side of the house. Wow, that looks really nice. I don't know. I'm pretty impressed so far.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If you didn't see me last time, I did shake it up. That way that soap's all mixed up. Shake that up a little bit. Clean my hands off a little. Yeah, I didn't realize how dirty this was. I sprayed that one time, and it looks that clean. I wasn't really sure about how good this was going to work, but
That's working good.
that looks freaking awesome.
And if you can,
Yeah, I'm going to spray that gutter one more time.
yeah, because it came off on the end.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. I got to spray this corner again. And do you want me to hit that one more time? And I'm just going to go right across here. And we'll see if we can get this all cleaned up. I think I can clean the whole side of this house. See, that's really... I'm going to put this on high. I'm gonna let that, I got that all on. Some's probably already been sitting there, but I'm gonna let it sit for like again another 5, 6 minutes and then spray it off. All right, I did bring this brush just in case you got some really bad spots. Just hit that with a brush real quick, like that. Nice and clean. Now she's clean. It might have worked if I just sprayed it, I don't know.
I wonder if that will do.
Oh, how clean that looks now,
Oh
but
my God.
it kind of got a...
Now that has never been cleaned.
All right, that's probably a good 5 minutes on some of that I already sprayed, so. So that had my, this is my I love you hat.
I know.
It says I love you. Might have to scrub that window. Give me that little scrub brush, Ma. Oh, you're on their phone.
No, I'm not.
Mom's on her phone. Mom's on her phone while I'm working.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
I'm taking your freaking picture.
Oh, you're taking my picture. Okay, sorry, she's taking my picture. Huh. Let's scrub this a little. Oh, there we go. That's better. Like something growing on there. What do you think?
It looks good.
Other than, unless
I was gonna say maybe when we get up there on the roof,
maybe I can try to,
lay down and just kind of wipe it off with a rag.
yeah, maybe I'll do it a little when I get on the roof.
Let-
All right, here is an after shot. Because I got the whole top up around the roof there. Now that part I had to go up on the roof to do some of the stuff up kind of on the second floor, so I scrubbed that. And here is the after shot of the other side. Looks beautiful. You can believe me or not believe me, but I'd have to tell you that definitely worked awesome. 110 times easier than just trying to scrub your house. All right, I think that's the end of my video. I'd have to say I think this little foam cannon and this sunjoe pressure washer worked a lot better than I even ever expected. I don't know, what do you think? You think it worked?
I think it worked wonders.
And what did you tell me this was going to cost? You think it was like $600 to do your entire house. Now this is a pretty big house, so it might be a little cheaper if you have a smaller house, and it definitely probably a little easier maybe if you have like a ranch house, but it really was not that bad. A lot easier than spraying and scrubbing. We've done that here before, sprayed and scrubbed. The only thing we did scrub a little, we scrubbed a little more like right around the windows a couple times, and we did scrub some of the gutters to try to help clean them up. But well, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave me a comment down below. Say hi to my mom. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. God bless and have a great summer.